Today I'm going to show you how to safely and easily clean your paint on your car if it hasn't already got too dirty. I am using this lovely 2009 911 Turbo as my example, and I will go through each of the steps I use in this video. The first step of any good safe wash is to apply a pre-wash, for example finesse citrus, which is what I use. Apply the pre-wash to the bottom half of the car and leave for 2 minutes. This will break up any dirt before washing. Once the pre-wash has been left for 2 minutes, the next step is to snow foam the car. This will dislodge any small bits of dirt the pre-wash missed. I do this before the first rinse as I find it catches and removes dirt better on the dry car. Let this sit for an hour 2 minutes to let it work before rinsing. While the snow foam is settling, use a soft detailing brush and an all-purpose cleaner to clean all the details of the car, including the window rubbers, lights and grills. Once the snow foam has been left for a few minutes and all the exterior details done by brush, the next step is to rinse. Thoroughly rinse the car and get as many contaminants off before touching the car with the mitt. Once the car has been well rinsed and all possible dirt removed, I will wash the car using 2 buckets, one for wash and one for rinse. Fill the first bucket with fresh, clean water and rinse your mitt before dipping it into the soapy water. Using a plush microfibre mitt, and always start at the top of the car in clean and straight motions, regularly turning and rinsing the mitt. After you've cleaned the paint of the car, you should use a different mitt to clean dirtier areas, such as the exhaust, cells and the arches. After washing all the exterior panels and painted parts, you should dry your car using a large microfibre towel. Pull the microfibre towel over the car and it will collect the majority of any water. For any water left, I use a smaller, finer waffle weave which will pick up any last small amounts of water and reduce the chance of watermarks. After drying all the paint, use an old microfibre or waffle weave to clean and dry the door cells and doors. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more car content. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more car content. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments.